Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel, and this video we are going to replace house AC thermostat. This one is battery operated. Couple buttons are broken and stuck, so I decided to replace today. So before you replace, you need to make sure you have a kind of same thermostat. There's two different kind of thermostat. One is like that, and other one have no batteries inside. It will work, but the 24 volt is coming from your AC side. If you don't have a 24 voltage properly, then that thermostat will not work. So if you have a old style battery operated, then just buy same like battery operated. So I have bought exactly same because I'm not sure about this one. This house have any 24 voltage, like solid 24 voltage all the time or not. It has 24 voltage, that's why thermostat is work, but I was not sure, so that's why I bought kind of same which one works with the battery, means the display or anything other is powered by the battery. Before you replace your thermostat, make sure your AC power at the electrical control box is powered off, so you don't have any 24 voltage. And so now time to replace. To replace, I'm going to remove this top cover. Then you will see some of the wirings on the back. There's four color right now. I have a red, white, blue and green. You make sure take a picture or make a note. As you can see here, yellow wire terminal, I have a blue wire, so I have to keep in my head yellow means blue wire here. You can use for cooling any like yellow or blue is like legal. And I have a disconnected already four wires. Now we're gonna remove this all the base. There's two screw on both end. We're gonna loosen those screws, and this old thermostat base will come out. Those screws held by plastic anchor on the back side because the drywall is not that strong. Now I have a new thermostat, which one I bought it from Home Depot about like $30, and it has some instruction manual. You can follow the instructions. The cover from the back side will come off. It's like a base. Back cover is act like a base, and the top is all you have to install on the top, like for the display. As you can see, I have installed the base already. There's some color, it's called red. We're gonna put red wire. White, we're gonna put white. As I mentioned earlier, yellow, we're gonna connect blue, and green go to the green. Now I have installed the two AAA batteries, and the bottom terminal, we're gonna just push this base on. That's all you have to do by replacing. Now this thermocouple comes with the programming. You can program set to cool, and it will take a couple seconds to turn on the cooling. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.